Hey everyone, welcome to Workshop 2. I want to start by saying thank you for your engagement with the readings and discussions and for putting so much effort into your weekly devotion journals. I've adjusted some due dates this week because of the Thanksgiving holiday, giving you more time to enjoy it with your loved ones. Let's dive into this week's activities. 2.1 Journal Devotional, due by day 7 of the workshop. 2.2 Assignment Reading and Knowledge, check, due by day 7 of the workshop. 2.3 Assignment, the Torah, due by day 7 of the workshop. 2.4 Discussion, the Exodus, post by day 7 of the workshop. No required responses this week due to Thanksgiving. 2.5 Assignment, Old Testament Sacrificial System, due by day 7 of the workshop. Now let's break down some of these assignments. For Assignment 2.3 on the Torah, you'll start by reading the 3 articles linked on the assignment page. You need to summarize the Pentateuch, the first 5 books of the Old Testament. Focus on identifying overarching themes and main ideas for each book. Keep your summaries concise and to the point. You have several ways to complete this assignment. A 7-slide PowerPoint with at least 2 slides featuring voiceovers, an infographic or Prezi, a video using an AI-powered tool like InVideo AI, or use a generative AI tool like ChatGPT to help generate your summaries. For Discussion 2.4 on the Exodus, you'll record a 5-minute summary of the video sermon embedded in the assignment. Post your video by day 7 of the workshop. No required responses from classmates this week. Lastly, for Assignment 2.5, you'll explore the Old Testament sacrificial system. Choose 2 of the 3 scripture passages listed and write a 400 to 500 word summary. Ensure your paper is clear, well referenced and submitted by day 7. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at j.wise@indwest.edu. I'll respond as quickly as I can within 48 hours max. Have a great week and a very happy Thanksgiving, Prof. J.